Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain some laws of exponent from class 9 mathematics, and after that we will solve certain problems using these laws of exponent. Let a and b be two real numbers, and let m and n are rational numbers. Then using these numbers, let me show you some laws of exponent. Number 1, a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. Here a is having power here m, and here a is having power n, and a to the power m and a to the power n are multiplied. So when two numbers are multiplied with same base, this is actually known as base, this is base, and these are known as the exponents. So if a number having two different exponent are multiplied, then the exponents are added, actually the powers are added. Number 2, if a to the power m is divided by a to the power n, then the powers will be subtracted. Number 3, note that the base of both the numbers are same. In that case, if the numbers are divided, then the power will be subtracted. If a to the power m to the power n means a is having two powers, one is m and another is n. So in that case, both the exponent, that is the powers, will be multiplied. Law number 4, if any number is having power 0, then that will become 1. Number 5, now let me take two different bases, a to the power m into b to the power m. So here both the exponents are same, powers are same, but the bases are different and the numbers are being multiplied. So in that case, it will be a multiplied by b inside the bracket and power will be m. Number 6, the same thing is here, but in place of multiplication, it is division. That is a to the power m is divided by b to the power m. In that case, a and b will be written in this form, or we can write as a divided by b power m. Note that b cannot be 0, because number cannot be divided by 0, it becomes undefined. And one more law is here, let me write here. Number 7, if any number is having negative power a to the power minus m, then it is written as 1 by a to the power m. It becomes reciprocal. When the power is negative, the number becomes reciprocal. So these are the laws. You have to just go through it, memorize it, because when we will be doing problems, these laws will be used here. Okay. Now let me use some examples to solve this. The first law, where it was given that a to the power m into a to the power n, the powers are added. So here also 3 to the power 1 upon 2 and 3 to the power 1 upon 3, these two numbers are multiplied. So here the powers will be added. It will become 3 and power here it will be LCM. 2 and 3 LCM is 6 and it will be 3 plus 2, that means 3 power 5 upon 6 is the answer. The second one, uh, 6 to the power 1 by 4, 6 to the power 1 by 4 divided by 6 to the power 1 by 5. So since here is sign of division is here, then the power will be subtracted. So 6 power 1 by 4 minus 1 upon 5. Again we have to find the LCM. 4 and 5 LCM is 20, and here it will be 5 minus 4. So that will give us 6 power 1 by 20. This is the answer. Next one, 3 power 4, 3 power 4 and power 1 upon 4. 3 is having 2 exponents. So here according to the laws, both the exponent will be multiplied. 3 power 4 into 1 upon 4. So here 4 will be cancelled. It will become 3 power 1, or it can be written as 3. So in this way there are so many different sums are there which can be solved by using laws of exponent. Now let me show you some different type of sum related to the exponent laws of exponent. Number 1, we have to simplify 49 to the power 1 upon 2. First of all, we have to factorize this 49 and see what we are getting. So 49 we all know it is 7 squared. So 7 squared and power is half. Again here we can see that 7 is having power 2 and the whole thing is again having power 1 upon 2. So both the powers will be multiplied. 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. So this 2 will be cancelled. It will become 7 power 1. That means 7 is the answer. Hope you have understood. Only we have to factorize the composite number. One more example. 125 to the power minus 1 upon 3. So 125 can be written as 5 to the power 3, because 5 cube is 125, to the power minus 1 by 3. So these two powers will be multiplied. Since minus sign is there, I am taking minus sign outside the bracket, and 3 into 1 upon 3. So 3 will be cancelled. This will become 5 upon minus 1, and the law of exponent says that if a number is having negative power, then the number will become the reciprocal of itself. So the answer is 1 by 5. Now give me one. Let me give one more example. That is 64 power minus 2. So first of all, 64 can be simplified as written in the form of exponent as 2 power 6 and power of 2 power 6 is minus 2. So here we are having, again we are having 2 powers. These 2 powers will be multiplied. So 2 power 6 into 2 is minus 12. So it can be written as 2 power minus 12. Now since the power is negative, the number will become reciprocal. So I have to write like this: 2 1 upon 2, and power will be plus 12 now. Since negative sign is there, so number is becoming reciprocal and the power is becoming positive. Therefore Now we can simplify this also. It will be 1024 2048 4096. So I can write this 1/4096 answer. So hope you have understood what are the laws of exponent and how to use the law in simplifying any kind of problems where we need to resolve the given number into prime factors and then use the laws. So that's all for today. Practice some more sums from your textbook, NCERT book. This portion will become very easy to you. Okay, so bye, see you in the next class.